We have a truck here again. It came here over the weekend on a wrecker. We run some checks on it, but it seems like it's a mechanical issue with the timing. So we here have some mechanics going to run through and troubleshoot it to see what is the problem.
Timing wrong, the timing I go get turn back way.
So we are here with the mechanics. So Chris, tell us, what's going on in the engine?
We are adjusting the valve, because the valve tight in the engine. Make it take longer to start.
So with a tight valve in the engine will not turn over easily. As you can see, the engine is rotating freely. All the valves are adjusted properly, so we now are assembling.
Yeah man, I can't drive I know.
Where the truck fix?
I chuck some more.
Alright.
Yeah.